All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. So dead. Dead. Let's try and get a picture. Yes, here we are, dead. Exactly. Dead. Whoops. Yeah, what's going on here? Dead. Yeah, dead. So, not alive. Yeah, not active anymore. Or something that could or did not work. Yes, didn't work. Failed. The party was dead. Let's change that. It is a dead party. Yeah, no one's here. It's a dead party. No one is here. No one is here. No one's here. These choices were dead on arrival. Yeah, dead in the water. Dead in the water. Like the idea just did not take off and went nowhere. Just nowhere. Just dead in the water. That's it. Forget about it. Forget about it. Yeah. Those animals, it looks like those animals are dead. This is where dead people are laid to rest. In a cemetery. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So, I am not dead. He is not dead. She is not dead. It is not dead. They are not dead. Makes sense. makes a lot of sense. Yeah. Yeah. The party is not dead. Yeah, it's very active and alive. The party is not dead. It is very active and alive. This meeting is not dead. I'll keep it fun and keep it fun and exciting. Exciting, yes. Let's try and get a picture. There we are. There we are. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Okay. So, we could then say the meeting died quickly. Died, past tense, died. It died in its sleep. Without you, it might have died. Without you, it might have died. Yeah. He thinks it is a dead duck. It just died. The thing just happened. The party is a dead duck. It is lame, boring, and no one cares. No one cares about it. Yep. If we don't act now, it'll be a dead cat soon. Unless we do something now, it might die. It might be dead soon. It might be dead by morning. If we don't act now, do something now. How cool is that? Yeah. So, dead. Not alive. Or not active anymore. Did not work. Just did not work. Let's try and get a certain picture for did not work. Here we are. Yeah, it just didn't work. There we are. There we are. Okay, strange. There we are. It just didn't work. Ugh. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So dead. Now, can you use dead in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. Oh, wow, okay. English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.